didn't see you there. What's up? It's been a minute. How you guys doing today? I think I'm doing all right. So you're interested about learning about food and why it's important? All right, let's do this. Before we get started, I would like to say that my name is Azazel, and I would like you guys and girls to know that food is very essential for life. A lot of people have forgotten that. You see, they're using the power of 13 against you. Now, what do you mean the power of 13? I'm going to be explaining many hidden secrets, even things that the government doesn't want to tell you. I'm going to be telling you real shit, because I'm a real individual. Now let's get started. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard that you know, when you want to have the optimum health, you need to eat greens and things of this nature. That is true. But what I need you people to understand out there is that there is a right way to eat and a wrong way to eat. There is a way to eat that is called alkaline base, and there's a thing called acidic base. And you're probably wondering what these things are. An alkaline base is something that runs naturally through your bloodstream electrifying your electrolytes and stimulating your blood circulation and giving you optimum health and raising your frequency and vibration. Acidic goes right against. I'll explain what I mean in a second. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, real quick. Right here, the link's up here, or you see an annotation bar up there. That's basically telling you the website you can go to start finding more natural foods and alternatives to chicken and you know, mayonnaise and milk and things of that nature. For example, hemp milk is good for you, or milk that's called rice dream, things of this nature. Things that are naturally based with non-GMOs. The link is up here below, or no, the annotation, and go take a look at that. Here we go. So this is the alkaline and acidic chart. Here you'll see that water is neutral, but it depends. Now you'll be seeing this as well. Foods that create mucus and foods that eliminate mucus and help your blood circulation and help your frequency. Take a good look at these foods. The foods that are bad for you. For example, corn. In case you guys and girls out there didn't know, you know, my viewers, you know, corn is actually bad for you. It's why people keep saying the crow is bad and it's always trying to eat your corn or whatever. You got to put a scarecrow. No, actually, the crow is actually a good bird. Those are GMO-based foods. That's not even real food. Corn oil, milk, cottage cheese, yogurt, syrup, ice cream, meat, chicken, cake, chips, butter, all these disgusting ass cereals, all these are genetically modified foods. GMO. These foods cause cancer. These foods cause mucus forming in the body, causing diseases and mutations in the body, destroying your cells for blood and oxygen, and causing you to have bodily problems, even causing your skin to get messed up. Now, foods that eliminate mucus, the greens. Mucus is not your friend. Mucus only wants the house to stay in to cause more damage. It's basically like that one neighbor that you cannot stand. Understand the difference? Dr. Sebi even talked about this. Electrical foods is what human beings are supposed to be eating. You must understand that the food pyramid doesn't look like what you think it looks like. It looks more like this. Now you're going to be like, but how did you get this information? I've known this information for a very long time. It's called the pH scale, the pH chart. It explains the human anatomy and the human body. And then it explains what you should be and what you should not be eating. There are even alkaline-based teas that help with your frequency and help remove cancer, diabetes, AIDS, malignant diseases that spread all over the body in the human blood, like gonorrhea. You must understand, when drinking water, water has fluoride. You must understand water has fluoride, so you must put lime to purify the water. You must purify the water for optimum health. That's why you see a lot of people putting lime in their water. Those people are very intelligent. Fluoride can damage you and calcify your brain. It's why a lot of people act the way they do nowadays. There's fluoride in the water. You must understand, fluoride is not something you want. It's like putting bad pills in your water to damage your insides and damage your brain. There is poison in your tap water. You must put lime. It is essential that you prioritize your health over everything. You must have optimum health. Now, why is this serious? Because the government wants to hide information from you. So what you need to do is start preparing yourself for what's to come. You must understand, they're putting poison in your water. You're giving that water to everybody you know, including yourself. These are the foods that cause mucus. These are the eliminating mucus foods. You must start coming back to nature, because nature is calling you. We are slaves to the fruits and vegetables. You must understand. You must understand. And not slaves in a bad way. Actually, in the most best way possible. We must release, and we must come back to our mother, within we reside. Foods like these kill us. You must understand. You see, foods like these are natural foods. People will ask, what about my mayonnaise? I want to eat my mayonnaise. There's something called veganese, another substitute for your affliction with eating natural. It's gluten-free and it's egg-free. So you're not actually eating any of these animals, because what you need to understand is that there's a lot of information that's being distorted and they don't want you to know about. So therefore, you'll continue to keep making the same mistake over and over again. When you put an animal inside of your body, you are inheriting its pain and suffering and putting it into your DNA. This is your blood acidic and this is your blood alkaline. Obviously, the alkaline looks healthy, correct? How acidic foods affect the body? That, my friends, is something that you should look into. Don't forget. Put lime in your water, and please get a filter and put filtered water in either a cup or in a bottle and put a lime in there. This is for you guys to know, because there are foods out there that they're telling you that are food, but they are not. Is your body acidic? Many diseases thrive in acidic environments. The kings of Kemet, so-called Egypt, and the queens of Egypt, we are the ones who taught the world how to eat alkaline. Queen, we have forgotten ourselves. We like to eat the so-called chicken or the so-called soul food. It's bad for your soul. Soul food is bad for your soul. The Jamaican sprinters and other runners, top sprinters, have been asked, where do you get all your power from? The sprinters have actually said it's not all just genetic. It's also in the way that we eat. We eat natural foods. We don't actually indulge in the meat and the chicken. Also, another thing that you people should know is the dairy products must go. There are alternatives to everything. There's alternatives to chicken and meat if you love the flavor. There's alternatives to the dairy. I just showed you veganese. It has non-GMO. It's gluten-free and it's egg-free, and it tastes exactly the same as mayonnaise. Let the chicken go. Go back to nature. Come back to your mother. You must understand, people. We never ate like this until 6,000 years ago. We must raise our frequency, people. These foods are calling for you. They have genetic coded DNA strands and codes to unlock your body's full potential. Also, by the way, I would like you to know, I will be getting a better camera soon. I will be uploading other videos. I will be making skits. I will be making informative videos. I will be telling you esoteric information that they don't want you to know. A lot of information that they don't want you to know, but that you need to know. in order to improve your life, have mental clarity, and know why things are happening the way they're happening. There is a second part to this video coming very soon, so I would be looking out for that and subscribe. You see, what we need to understand is foods like avocados help to decalcify you. Now, you see, we must understand that there are bad foods out there, foods that make us sick. The reason why the so-called black community is always going through these, these bodily problems with pork. Yes, I've heard of it. Yeah, eat a lot of soul food. And unfortunately, those are not the foods you're supposed to be eating. Your bodies are alkaline based. You must understand the fruit drinks. Make sure they don't have any high fructose corn syrup. Get, Tropicana, stuff like the orange juice, natural stuff. If the closest you can get to drinking something natural is concentrate or pasteurized. Pasteurized is something that has been heated to 145 degrees Celsius. When it's heated up to that particular level, it destroys the bacteria in the juice, in the fruit juice, making it more edible and better for you to drink, in case you didn't know that. Foods like yams, for example, or one of my favorites, avocados, help to stimulate cell production in the male sexual tubes. Foods like chlorella, for example, help to decalcify your pineal gland. Foods like even spirulina, that looks very similar, also have a lot to do with decalcifying your pineal gland. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Much love. So remember to subscribe, comment down below, and peace till the next video.